and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I got in my Doll Beauty mystery bag. So if you weren't aware, Doll Beauty did this £10 mystery bag that they literally had up for a day. Saw it over on Instagram and I was like,
do we get one? Do we not get one? Do we get one? Do we not get one?
I got one, I picked one up. I'm so glad that I did. So, like I said, this is £10, so let's unbox it. So first of all, you get this like cute little bag, little gift. That's really cute. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I love it if you consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get into the unboxing. Let's dip in, let's see what we get. The first thing that I got is a Doll Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade Golden Girl. This actually retails for £13, it says on the side, which is already more than the box itself, just with the first product. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. It's just baby pink bullet lipstick with the gold logo on it. Let's have a look. So this is in the shade Golden Girl, and that's what that looks like. Really pretty nude shade. Definitely get a lot of use out of that. So that's a great first product. Let's go again. So the second item that I got are some tweezers. These are really big tweezers. So these are like lash applicating tools rather than like tweezers. I don't know why they're called tweezers. I don't know. They're like gold, and then they've got the Doll Beauty written there. They're quite big compared to like a normal pair of tweezers, but I'm really excited because I don't have any applicators like this. So yeah, I'm really excited to give these a go. And I think these are about £8, so pretty pricey for some like applicators. Like the ones that I have at the minute are ones that I got from Shein, and they were literally like £1 or £2. I wouldn't own these if it wasn't for the mystery bag, if that makes sense. Obviously, I wouldn't go out and buy these from Doll Beauty, if that makes sense. So I'm really happy to have them. Let's go with the next item. Oh, we've got some eyelashes by Doll Beauty, obviously. Doll Lash. Oh, these should be £16. Like, that's more than the box. And that's what they look like. It says you can reuse them up to 20 times, which is really great because you can use these two together. So that's really handy. Oh, and I've got another lipstick. This is in the shade Come to Mama, and this should be £13 as well, like the other lipstick. And it's the exact same packaging, so let's see what the shade is. So this one actually came a little bit damaged, so when I just opened it then, it was actually in the lid, not in there, so I've like had to like push it back in. So that's why it looks a little bit squished, but it's fine, I'll still use it. It's like more of a brownie nude. I'm really excited to try this lip formula. I haven't got anything from Doll Beauty before, so I thought what better way to give their products a go than to buy a £10 mystery box, so you're gonna get 5 items to try. So I thought it'd be like a really good way to actually try the brand. It would also make a really cute Christmas present for someone as well. That would be really cute. You could wrap them all individually. And the final thing that I got in the mystery bag was a Doll Beauty mirror, which I'm so excited for. I saw on the reveal photo that they were going to have some mirrors in, and I'm so glad that I managed to get one. It's well packaged, and this is what it looks like. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but it is really nice size. It's a heart shape and it's a really cute colour, so I'm really happy with that. And it's also like a really good quality mirror as well, so that's good. So that's everything that I got in my Doll Beauty mystery bag. Let me know down below, did you pick one up, or are you thinking about picking one up? Because I do believe that it was just one day that they did it for, but I saw literally like the day after or a couple of days after that they were doing it again, so make sure you keep an eye out on that, because I'm probably going to get another one because I'm so impressed with this one. I'm probably going to pick up another one as well, so make sure you keep an eye out if you do want to pick something up. And I definitely consider buying things from Doll Beauty. Like, there's loads of things that I want to try: lip liners, blushes, highlighters, bronzers. Really want to try it all. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy this video, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!